Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and I'm having to be on a roof just because the angles are insanely crazy. But when I'm on the roof, I'm seeing something that homeowner can never see. And quite honestly, I couldn't see it from the ground. And only until I got up here, I see it. Now, this is a big issue in design, and it's a big issue in damage. So let me show you what I found when I was up here and what is causing damage-wise. Okay, so we're cleaning this roof, and there's a roof here, and I'm standing on this roof and this roof at the same time. But what this creates is a little gully right here. And, you know, when it's clear, it's no problem. The water's going somewhere down there and out. But this all is what I found in this little area right here. So when the massive amount of leaves and trees drop, this gets filled up, and year after year after year it fills up, and this is not getting blown out every year, and it's collecting. So all of this sits right here. There's a ton of ants, and quite honestly, anytime it rains, this would just be wet, and this creates moisture. That moisture is sitting there on that fascia board causing rot. That whole board is rotted, and it's starting to rot out. Let me see if I can sit for a second. See, look at that rotted out from essentially this turned into dirt, and it's going to be wet, and it's going to take a long time to dry when it rains, because it's going to rain all next week. This would have been wet all week, and it's been wet for years. And I don't think that you can see them. Yeah, you can. Look at all them ants. Whole colony of ants. Those could also just as well be termites. So I got ants in my pants now, but that's neither here nor there. So yeah, we saw this. Homeowner cannot see this. So here we go. Let's get this roof cleaned.